7 a.m. and we need to address some of this fish bowl. So let's get it. My 1998 Mustang GT, and we're heading over to Bridgeport, Connecticut, a place called TINT King. And guys, if you're in the Connecticut area, go to TINT King in Bridgeport. It's worth it. Doesn't matter where you are, just go there. If you pop it up, I think it's in Madison Avenue. That's where I'm going right now. I got a quarter tank of gas. I don't know if that's good or not, but we're gonna make it and hope for the best. So with that being said, I will see you guys over at TINT King. And we're gonna have some new tints on this car. Woo! Yo guys, I just made it and we're about to see how this girl's gonna look after it's all done. Let's get right over to it. All right guys, so I'm on my camera phone. Car's actually about to come in right now, so I'm actually just waiting for him to bring the car in and we're gonna start these tints, get it done and over with. Can't wait for the final result. We're doing 20% on this car and let's see what it comes out to. So it's been about, you know, roughly 5 days since I actually was doing the tints on the car or getting them done. I just want to say real quickly, I don't have footage of me actually showing, you know, them putting on the tints, the guys putting the tints on, because out of the respect of their shop, I just didn't want to do that. But for right now, I mean, I did try to do a little edit thing, you know, to showcase the tints off. So that being said, I want you to look at this cool clip and I hope you enjoy it. So guys, look, here we have it. Here she is, 20% tint, and I mean, big difference, man. Absolutely, what a just big difference. Changes up the whole car, and I mean, I love it. 20%. Not all around, just on the side shield.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And the side windows, and as well as the rear glass. This is original. We're not touching this. I don't got the heart in order to change this. But luckily, I don't need to do no strip. Factory, the Mustangs comes with this little strip blend for the sun, whatever you want to call it. So I'm not gonna worry about it. But this is it, you know? This is it. I'm really in love with it. I like, oh, come on, let's come back here a little bit. Come on, come on, dog. No more fishbowl. And I'm just really happy. So all in all, if you guys enjoyed this video and you think that the car looks good in any kind of way, or that tint job is just a tremendous difference, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget, smash the subscribe button in, as well as ring that notification bell. Until the next one, it's been your boy Chris Rod, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Deja que ella te arrebate, pero no la maltrate. No es simplemente una mata. Préndele, dos cachas y sube